guys, welcome back. So I just got back from technically my 4th track day with the Z4, and I can't lie to you, my knees are killing me. I'm sliding around in these seats, I'm hitting the freaking door panels. I have a massive welt on my knee that has not gone away because I drive this car every weekend at the track, and I needed to do something about it. So, like I said previously, if you guys have been following me and you like my mini build, you might like this because I am doing the exact same theme in this car as well. So I got some blue Sparcos for it, and I'm actually swapping the red harnesses out of the Mini entirely, and both of these cars are gonna have lightning bolt black harnesses. I'm so excited, I can't wait to show you guys. Right now, not set up yet. Once this car gets the roll bar in it, then we'll be good to put harnesses in, but the Mini is getting those harnesses as well. Super excited to see the blue seats in this car as well. And yeah, that's enough talking. I at least want to get the driver's seat in. I don't have a passenger seat bracket for this car yet, but I at least want to get the driver's one in because like my knees are hurting so bad. It makes it pretty hard to do anything after a track day. So hopefully this will be good to help me stay in the seat better and not hurt myself. So let's get to it. So front bolts are out, I just pulled the rear bolts out. So now I just gotta disconnect the plugs underneath, and then the seat's like good to go. It's so easy. You do it. Super easy to do, actually. Okay. Okay, so we got this seat in and whatnot, and originally I was just planning on driving with the 3-point stop harness here, and then had a lot of problems getting the seatbelt receptor little clicker thing, I think that's how you would call it, to get in. There wasn't enough room for it, tons of issues going on there. So sat back, thought about it, decided that really wasn't the safest option anyways, and so now we're at least going to do a harness spar so I can run the harnesses that I already have for this car with this seat, call it a day for now, and then hopefully from there, once we do this one event, get more piping and whatnot, tubing, whatever, actually be able to custom make a roll bar for the car. So I went ahead and stripped all this back out so we can work on getting the harness bar temporarily in here. So I'm going to go ahead and actually pull this seat out, pull that seat out, and then start clearing everything else out back here that we need out. So hopefully that updates you guys on why everything has kind of gone in a way different direction than anticipated, and hopefully that all makes sense. All the guts are sitting over here, so we got maybe a 2-pound weight reduction, so you know, better see that in the times.
I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. Been hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always, not that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs.
so the harness bar is all wrapped up. I actually got the driver's harnesses in, all fitted to me as well, hooked up to the bar, hooked up to the seat, all that. So now we're just working on the passenger side, getting that all sorted out, and then we will start putting in the other harness.
Tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head, but I can't say no. Hate that I do this all the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah.
When we were putting in the driver's seat, my dad was fabbing up a seat bracket for the passenger side, so we went ahead and threw the passenger seat in as well as the harness on the passenger side as well. So now they're both in here, super simple, just all done in one shot, so that's great. Yeah, I think that's a wrap for this. I'm super stoked. I'm so glad to have harnesses in here now, and pretty soon we'll be working on getting that roll bar made. So peace out, guys. I will catch you in the next